Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Fastrak Tag Holder is probably one of the most overlooked car accessories, but it's a game changer for anyone who frequently uses toll roads. A secure and easily accessible Fastrak Tag Holder can save you time, frustration, and even money by ensuring smooth and uninterrupted toll payments, eliminating the hassle of fumbling for your tag at toll plazas or dealing with lost or damaged tags. This video will review the best options available, helping you find the perfect holder to keep your Fastrak tags safe and your commute stress-free. Number 5. Toll Pass Holder. It's compatible with Easy Pass, SunPass, and many more. This means smooth sailing through tolls across the US. No more fumbling for your tag. It's built to withstand harsh sunlight and extreme weather. Your toll tag stays safe and secure, no matter the conditions. It's designed so it won't interfere with the toll tag reader. Enjoy seamless passage through toll booths. It features strong suction cups for easy windshield mounting and removal, plus adhesive tape for extra security. It's perfect for any vehicle. Moving it between cars is a breeze. Simply attach it to your new vehicle's windshield and you're good to go. We're the original toll pass holder, offering superior quality and reliability. Choose us for a worry-free driving experience. What we like. It works with all major toll passes across the US. Its UV resistance ensures long-lasting protection for your toll tag, even under harsh sunlight. If you travel frequently across different states and need a reliable, universally compatible holder, this is the one for you. What people say. Secure transponder storage. This holder provides a simple and secure way to mount my Easy Pass transponder in my car. The clear design allows for easy visibility of a device, ensuring it remains in place while driving. Easily installed and Velcro strips, they provide stick and grip well. Great design and fits nicely on my windshield. Seem to be very durable. Easy to install and works like a charm. Number 4. NuBliss Easy Pass Holder. It provides a secure and convenient place for your transponder, keeping it within easy reach without blocking your view of the road. It's compatible with Easy Pass Mini and iPass transponders. Setting it up is a breeze. Just clean your windshield, slide your transponder in, and attach it near your rear view mirror. No tools are needed. 3 heavy-duty suction cups ensure it stays put, even on bumpy roads or in extreme temperatures. It's designed to provide a secure hold. Need to move it to a rental car? Simply lift the suction cup and relocate it. It's easy to transfer between vehicles. Made from durable ABS and PVC, it can withstand temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It's UV and water resistant to protect your transponder. Please note that it fits Easy Pass Mini and iPass transponders. It is not compatible with older, larger Easy Pass Flex, UniPass, or SunPass transponders. What we like. This holder boasts incredibly strong suction cups for a secure hold on your windshield. It's also super easy to install, no tools are needed. If you prioritize a secure and hassle-free mounting solution, this is your best bet. What people say. Use this in rental car so we could use our own toll transponder. Worked great, adhesion was good, easy to use. It does the job well. It fits perfectly even if you have the 2 window strips on the back. Sticks to the window with 0 issues to report. Never falls off windshield. Number 3. Toll Pass Windshield Mount. This innovative holder is designed to securely mount your toll pass to your windshield. It's compatible with most US toll passes, making your travel smoother and more convenient. It easily accommodates various toll pass types, old and new. No matter where you're driving, it's got you covered. This holder is built to withstand harsh sunlight. It keeps your toll pass safe from the sun's damaging rays. The strong suction cups and high-quality adhesive ensure a firm grip, even in extreme temperatures. It's designed for lasting performance. Installation is a breeze. It comes with everything you need for a quick and secure setup, and removal is just as easy. We're the original toll pass holder, committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Choose us for a reliable and worry-free driving experience. What we like. This option provides compatibility with numerous toll systems. The durable suction cups and UV resistance ensure a long-lasting, reliable hold. If you need a durable and versatile holder that can withstand various weather conditions, this is a great choice. What people say. Installation was a breeze. It literally took me seconds with the suction cups to stick it onto my windshield using the provided mounting strips. The adhesive is strong and reliable, ensuring that it stays securely in place without any risk of falling off. The design is fantastic. It adds a touch of personality to my car while also serving a functional purpose. The UV protective coating is a great bonus, ensuring that the holder and my Easy Pass remain protected from sun damage over time. The pass attaches with Velcro so I can take the toll pass off whenever necessary, making it hassle-free to use at toll booths without fumbling around with the pass itself. Number 2. Easy Pass Indestructible Holder. Tired of flimsy toll pass holders? This holder is made from steel, ensuring it can withstand any weather condition. It's designed to securely hold your transponder, no matter the temperature. It features a slip-fit design that gently yet firmly holds your transponder in place. Say goodbye to rattling or spinning. Made from durable steel, it's built to withstand extreme temperatures. It won't melt, break, or deform, even in the harshest conditions. The industrial-grade suction cup keeps it firmly attached to your windshield, regardless of the temperature. Installation and removal are a breeze. Simply slip your transponder in and out as needed. No adhesive required, making it easy to use and clean. Unlike other holders, it won't spin, rattle, discolor, deform, or bend. It's built to last. This product is made in the USA with high-quality materials and craftsmanship. You can trust its durability and reliability. What we like. Made from steel, it can withstand extreme temperatures without damage. It also features a secure, no-adhesive mounting system. If you're looking for an indestructible, long-lasting holder that can handle any climate, this is the perfect option. What people say. It holds it very snug and does not move or slip while on the windshield. The single suction cup is big and I have had no issues with it. It removes easily as well for storage in glove compartment. These Easy Pass holders are A+ quality. The suction cup, as described by the seller, is industry grade and they were not kidding. The suction has withstood jerks who cut me off, tons of potholes, and some extreme weather conditions, from snow to heat and over again. The bar that actually holds the Easy Pass in place is pretty simple but uniquely intuitive. It fits just in the groove as shown in the picture, and this, just like the suction cup, does not move. Number 1. HSTECH Toll Tag Mounting Kit. Tired of your toll tag falling off? This kit provides reliable mounting strips for a secure and consistent reading. It's simple to install and keeps your tag in place. You'll receive 8 high-performance adhesive strips, that's 4 complete sets. These are the same type of strips that originally came with your toll tag. It uses a clear acrylic adhesive designed for superior performance. It's strong enough to hold your tag securely, yet gentle enough to not damage your vehicle. This kit works with many toll transponders, including Easy Pass, iPass, and more. Check to see if it's compatible with your toll tag. Unlike suction cups, it won't shake, rattle, or buzz. It provides a secure hold, ensuring your toll tag is always ready to be read, indoors or outdoors. The strips are easy to apply and remove, making installation a breeze. Simply peel and stick for a secure and reliable hold. What we like. These are the same high-quality mounting strips that came with your toll pass. The dual-lock adhesive provides a secure, rattle-free hold. If you need a replacement or extra strips for your existing toll tag, this is the most convenient option. What people say. These work fine for that purpose, and are as good or better than the original. They are just the right size, durable and easy to install. Simple to stick on your Easy Pass transponder and attach to inside of windshield. The Velcro allows for simple removal of transponder from vehicle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.